Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox dragon fruit juice or pitaya juice, which is wonderful for weight loss. For this, I've taken one dragon fruit completely washed and cleaned. I'm going to remove off the stalk portion from the front and the back. I will then start with slitting the dragon fruit right from the center. You will see that the heart of the dragon fruit is very fleshy and smooth. Hold the dragon fruit in a cup position. We can have it scooped right away the way I'm doing it in the video. Ensure that we remove the pulp from both the sides of the dragon fruit and store it separately into a container. Now we will carry this pulp right into a mixer grinder. To this, then we add a glass of water enough to submerge the dragon fruit completely in the mixer grinder. Grind this mixture thoroughly. The juice is rich in vitamin C. We will add some more lemon juice to this for a tangy taste, some salt for taste, and also some honey. Mix it well. Now our dragon fruit juice is ready to be had.